Om Shuklam Baradharam Vishnum Shashivarnam Chaturbhujam Prasannavadanam Dhyayet Sarva Vignopashantaye. Namaskar and welcome back to Amara Bharati Samskrita YouTube channel, where we are studying the CBSE Class 10 Sanskrit Exam Quick Prep for 2023. We look at the Anuvada chapter. Anuvada means translation. So this is formation of simple sentences in Sanskrit language. We have a short tutorial on how to do that, and then we see some examples. This question will generally be for 5 marks and will be translation from English or Hindi, from an English or Hindi sentence into a Sanskrit sentence. This will test your capability to compose simple sentences in Sanskrit language. We look at the 3 numbers, that is Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam and Bahuvachanam. Ekavachanam is singular, Dvivachanam is dual or 2, and Bahuvachanam is plural, 3 or more. We look at some simple words in all these 3 numbers. For the masculine case, he or him, both of them in masculine and all of them in masculine. So the words are Saha, Tau, Te. Saha, Tau, Te are Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam and Bahuvachanam forms of the masculine form for he, both of them and all of them. And for feminine, it is Sa, Te, Taha. She, both of them in feminine and all of them in feminine. I have shown a little girl here. Sa, Te, Taha. And for neuter, Tat, Te, Tani. For a fruit, Tat, Tani, Phalani, like that. It, both of those in neuter and all of those in neuter. So, Saha, Tau, Te, Sa, Te, Taha, Tat, Te, Tani. You must remember one thing, you must notice one thing. In masculine, Pullinga, Bahuvachanam is Te. In Strilinga and Napumsakalinga, Dvivachanam is Te. So, the way you interpret Te depends on the gender. If it is Te in masculine, it is plural. If it is Te in feminine, it is dual, Dvivachanam, and if it is Te in Napumsakalingam, it is dual. However, the others are all different. Saha, Tau, Te, Sa, Te, Taha, Tat, Te, Tani. Now a few more examples. Tvam, Yuvam, Yuyam. Tvam is you in singular, Yuvam is both of you, and Yuyam is all of you. So this is irrespective of masculine or feminine. Next, Aham, Avam, Vayam. Aham is I or me, Avam is both of us, and Vayam is all of us. Again, irrespective of masculine, feminine. Next, we have to know the Dhatu Rupani also. I will show you the example of Pat Dhatu. Pat means to read, which is a Parasmaipadi Dhatu in Lat Lakara, present tense, Vartamana Kala. To indicate present tense, Lat Lakara is used. We see the conjugation table. Pathati, Pathataha, Pathanti, Pathasi, Pathatha, Pathatha, Pathami, Pathavaha, Pathamaha. These are the forms of the Pat Dhatu. I have shown you some small simple sentence also. Saha pathati or sa pathati. Saha pathati means he reads. Sa pathati means she reads. Tau pathataha is both of them read in masculine. Te pathataha is both of them read in feminine. Te pathanti is all of them read in masculine. Taha pathanti is all of them read in feminine. And tvam pathasi is you read. Yuvam pathatha, both of you read. Yuyam pathatha is all of you read. Aham pathami, is I read. Avam patavaha is both of us read. Vayam patamaha is all of us read. So you have to have the exact noun form, the pronoun form here. You should not mix and match. You cannot say tvam patatha, that is wrong. Tvam patasi is the right one, and yum patatha is the right one. So you should remember the conjugation forms patati, patatah, patanti, etc. along with these sahasa, etc. If you remember these, then your sentence formation will be easier. I show you two more examples. For the gam dhatu, which is again a parasmaipadi, which is gacchati, gacchataha, gachanti, gacchasi, gachatha, gachatha, gacchami, gacchavaha, gacchamaha. And I show you an atmanepadi form also, which is the vand dhatu, to venerate, to salute. Vandate, vandete, vandante, vandase, vandethe, vandadve, vande, vandavahe, vandamahe. Again I have shown you the saha, tau, te, etc. also in these simple sentences. Now we should also know the vibhakti rupani. I have shown you the example of akarantah pullinga deva shabdah. Devah devau devaah, devam devau devan, devena devabhyam devaih, devaya devabhyam devebhyah, devat devabhyam devebhyah, devasya devayoh devanam, deve devayoh deveshu, he deva he devau he devaah. I have also given you the meanings of these ones, the names of the cases also, so you can pause the video and look at the meanings along with the vibhakti rupa table. In a similar way, for the strilinga lata shabda, lata late lataah, latam late lataah, lataya latabhyam latabhihi, latayai latabhyam latabhyah, latayah latabhyam latabhyah, latayah latayoh latanam, latayam latayoh latasu, helate helate helataah. And then for the napumsakalinga form for phala shabda, phalam phale phalani, phalam phale phalani. From tritiya to saptami, it is as in masculine, pullinga, phalena phalabhyam phalaihi, and so on. And sambodhana is he phala, he phale, he phalani. Now you should remember some vibhakti forms. In addition to akaranta, you should also remember the ikaranta, ukaranta, rikaranta, and so on, in order to form simple sentences as may be asked. You should also know about upapada vibhaktis, which we will see briefly now. When the word paritaha, nikasha, prati, and these words come in the sentence, the corresponding noun should always be in dvitiya vibhaktihi. And when the words saha, sakam, samam, sardham, vina, alam, etc. come in a sentence, they should be, the corresponding noun should be in tritiya vibhaktihi. And when namaha, namaha, ruch, and da, gurave namaha, like that, chaturthi vibhakti will be the used for the noun. And bahihi, bhi, bhayam, when there is a fear factor or where something is going out, then the corresponding noun will be panchami vibhakti, gramat bahihi, like that. Vyagrat bhayam, fear of a tiger. When the words upari, adhaha, purataha, prishtaha, pritathaha, etc. are used, then the corresponding noun should be in shashti vibhakti. For example, vrikshasya upari, on top of the tree, vrikshasya adha, at the bottom of the tree, like that. Then when nipunaha, vishwas, patuhu, snih, etc. come, the corresponding noun should be in saptami vibhakti. For example, shastre nipunaha, a person who is expert in the shastras, kridayam patuhu, like that. It will be in saptami vibhakti. So you find a detailed chart containing all the rules of the upapada vibhaktis in this particular page, which is taken from your Abhyasavan Bhava book. You can pause the video and take a snap of this picture. Now we will see some examples of translation. Girl goes to school. What is the sentence? Balika, girl is a balika, goes to school. Vidyalayam gachati. Vidyalayam is in Dvitiya Vibhakti. Balika is Prathama Vibhakti. Gachati is Prathama Purusha Ekavachana. Balika Vidyalayam gachati. Next, there are trees on all sides of a school. Means Vidyalayam paritaha vrikshaha santi. Vriksha is a tree. Vrikshaha is plural, many trees. And paritaha, surrounding the school, all around the school means paritaha. And when paritaha comes, the corresponding noun should be in Dvitiya. So Vidyalayam paritaha. Vidyalayam is in Dvitiya. Vidyalayam paritaha vrikshaha santi. This is a simple sentence. Next, God pervades over all the three worlds. Means Ishvaraha Trilokam Vyapnoti. Ishvaraha is God. Trilokam, the three worlds, Vyapnoti, he pervades. Next, Santosh will go home today. So, Santosh will go later today means the corresponding verb should be in future tense. So, Santoshaha adya griham gamishyati. Today means adya. Santoshaha adya griham gamishyati. Santosh will go home later today. Gamishyati is in future tense. Bhavishyat kala, adya is today. This book belongs to Sita. Idam Sitayaha pustakam asti. This book belongs to Sita. Idam Sitayaha pustakam asti. When pustakam comes followed by a swara like a, then it will be shown as the makara independently here. It will not be as a dot on top, but it will become a makara as shown here. Idam Sitayaha pustakam asti. If you see idam here, there is a dot on top because C is not a vowel. C is not a swara. C is a vyanjana. Sa is a vyanjana. Whereas A is a swara. Here we have a dot on top and here we have a makara independently. Idam Sitayaha pustakam asti. Next we see some more examples. The Sangam of two rivers, Ganga and Yamuna, is in Prayagraj city. The sentence is Prayagaraja Nagare Ganga Yamuna Nadyoha Sangamaha Asti. Prayagaraja Nagare Ganga Yamuna Nadyoha Sangamaha Asti or Vartate, we can say. Taj Mahal is on the banks of the Yamuna. Taj Mahalaha Yamuna Tate Sthitaha Asti. Speak the truth and pleasant words means Satyam Madhuram Cha Vada. We are all citizens of India. Vayam Sarve Bharatasya Nagarikaha Smaha. Nagarikaha or Vasinaha also we can say, or Prajaha also we can say. Vayam Sarve Bharatasya Nagarikaha Smaha. Next, both of us saw a drama today. Avam Adya Natakam Apashyava. Apashyava is Dvivachana. Both of us. Aham, Avam, Vayam. Avam is Dvivachana and Apashyava because Apashyat, Apashyatam, Apashyan, Apashyaha, Apashyatam, Apashyata, Apashyam, Apashyava, Apashyama. So Apashyava is Dvivachana in Uttama Purusha. The students go to school. So many students. So Vidyarthinaha Vidyalayam Gachanti. The boy brings water from home. Balakaha grihat jalam anayati. Can I come inside? Aham antaha agantum shaknomi kim. Am I allowed to come inside? Aham antaha agantum shaknomi kim. Where do you live nowadays? Adyatve tvam kutra vasasi. Where do you live nowadays? Next some more. What did he say? Sahakima vadat. What did he say? The water of Kaveri river is pure. Kaveri nadyaha jalam shuddham asti. Next, tomorrow I am going to Mumbai city. Shvaha is tomorrow. Aham Mumbai nagaram gamishyami. It is future tense. It is bhavishyat kala, future tense. Godavari river flows from Triambakeshwar means Godavari Nadi Triambakeshwarat Nissarati. Godavari Nadi Triambakeshwarat Nissarati. So I have shown you some roles and also some example sentences. If you have any other questions, any other sentences, please feel free to ask them in the comments section below. This brings me to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, share. See you in another video. CBSE Class 10 Exam Quick Prep Anuvadaha, that comes to a close. YouTube Amarabharati Samskrita. Shubham Bhuyat. Mangalamastu. Vande Mataram. Shri Krishna Arpanamastu.